Hey everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to work out the circumference of a circle. If you don't know what the circumference of a circle is, it's basically the distance around the circle, so from like here back up to the top again. In this example we're given the diameter, and in this example we're given the radius, and I'll teach you how to work out the circumference for both examples. So I think the best thing to do would be to just jump into the question. So starting with question number 1, we have a circle. Its diameter is 5 centimeters. So the diameter is the distance across the circle going through the midpoint of the circle. So the diameter could also be measured like this way or this way, as long as it's touching each end of the circle and goes through the middle, because that would be the longest distance. So the circumference of a circle is literally pi times its diameter. So in this case, it's 5 centimeters. So it will be pi times its diameter, which in this case is pi times 5 centimeters. And I would probably just write that as 5 pi centimeters. And that's the circumference. So that will be your final answer. It's just that simple. And looking at question number 2, we're not given the diameter, but we're given the radius. So the radius is the distance from the edge of the circle to the center. So you could probably interpret yourself how you're going to work out the diameter. Well, the diameter is just twice the distance of the radius, because it would be to the center and then to the edge again. So the diameter is going to be equal to 2 times 3 centimeters, which is equal to 6 centimeters. So in this case, the circumference is going to be equal to pi times the diameter, which is equal to pi times 6 centimeters. And we can write that as 6 pi centimeters. So hopefully that was clear. Hopefully it made sense. If you have comments or questions, you can drop them down below. And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you for watching and best of luck with your maths.